She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're already subscribed, then you've probably already seen this blend that I did with the colors 27, 4, and 16. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it so you can go check it out. So when I had blended it, I did 3 different shades of colors, and one of the color was this ash blonde, which was my favorite, and I think everybody else's too. And so Janessa, who's my client, she had commented that she wanted it. And so I said, let's do something with it. And she wanted to do a short box, short box braids for the style. So today you'll see me do this style and you'll see how this blend looks with braids. I ask that you guys watch the video until the end. Sometimes you guys ask questions that are already answered in the video. So just watch until the end. So I did rounded parts. For me, it's quicker, and I like the way the braids lay because I can just stack them just like with break layered parts. But again, it's just easier for me. It's a lot harder to tuck with smaller braids because you don't have a lot of hair to work with. Again, and everything I'm saying, this is just for me. It may be different for someone else. So for me, it's a lot harder to tuck with smaller braids because I don't have a lot of hair to work with to hide the color. But I did want to tuck most of her hair so that I don't change the ash blonde color too much. So I didn't have to worry about tucking the hair, the braids perfectly, or hiding every single strand of her natural hair, since that color 4 was already in there. So I braided a little past where I thought I'd be cutting the hair, and then I used a little strand of the hair to loop around the braid and created a knot. Just did that once, and I just did that because I wasn't going to braid all the way to the bottom when I didn't have to, but I also didn't want to I didn't want all of her hairs, I didn't want all of her braids slowly unraveling and then having to re-braid it at the end just to get it back to the desired length. So yeah, so I did that all throughout her whole head, and then at the end I used a lighter to burn her hair. You'll see that later on, but I used a lighter to burn her hair and cut it. And then my finishing products were mousse and oil spray, which I thought I had recorded, but maybe my camera had turned off or something. But yeah, I didn't dip the hair in hot water, so there's no need to do that with this style. Let's see what else. The hair that we use Expression Rua. I don't know how to say it. Maybe if I can find a screenshot of it, I'll just include it right here. But we used a total of 4 packs of hair. And so we started at 4 p.m. Well, so she got here at 4 p.m. So we started a little past 4, right? And then we didn't get done until 3 in the morning. I know. It is a long time, but you guys, you have to remember that I did have to blend 4 packs of hair, which this hair came in, it was 3 bundles within each pack, I believe. So 4 packs of hair that I had to blend, and so that alone did take a lot of time, because I had to make sure that I was blending the hair in getting the same shade, right? And then I also had my 2 girls with me who are 2 and 1. I normally don't braid with them, but on this day they were with me, so I had to keep stopping, which just prolonged the process. And I'm already not a really fast braider, so if you're wanting to try this style, don't be freaked out because of how long it took me. It's probably not going to take you that long. It honestly should not have taken us 11 hours, but yeah, so we were both very tired at the end, but I like the turnout. One thing I do want to go back on is I kept mentioning that I was tucking her hair, and sometimes I forget that not everybody knows what that term means. So tucking the hair is basically how you see her natural hair color is not showing throughout that braid. You can just see that the whole entire braid is ash brown. You don't see her natural hair color black, peeking through. And I do have videos a video on how to tuck. So I will link that video as well, so you can go and check it out. I really strongly recommend that you guys subscribe to my channel, because I do give a lot of helpful tips, a lot of helpful videos on braiding and tips, and just go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. YouTube tells me that about 97% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. That's crazy. If you're here constantly on my channel watching every day, you should be subscribed. I mean, it's free. Why not? You're watching my video anyways. Go ahead and just subscribe. Like, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? So yeah, I did want to just go back on that tucking and let you guys know what that is, because again, I know a lot of people don't know. What else? I don't think there's anything else to mention about this. So if I haven't answered, if you have any questions that I have not answered already, please leave it in the comments. I try to respond to every comment that I can. And let me see what else. Yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Again, subscribe. And that's it. You guys be blessed, stay safe, and stay filled with love and peace. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.